This has got to be the most unique cordless work light that I have ever seen. This is by Letour, and it uses DeWALT 20-volt batteries. Look at this double-headed design on this guy. We're going to get it outside and give it a test in 1 second. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make a video showing it to you. It does run on the 20-volt DeWALT batteries. Battery is not included. You need that separately, but look at that. We got the front-facing and rear-facing LED, one spot, one flood. Works with the trigger right here. We have regular constant on mode. Give it a click again. Strobe alert, strobe alert. We have strobe on the second mode. Now if we look at the side here, we also have a dimmer switch. You can see I can turn that down or turn it up. Now you see this little side button here, it almost looks like a trigger lock button. Nope, boom. It is the button for the other side, which the dimmer works for that as well. And it has strobe as well. Now, the other cool thing is we can turn the front facing on, we can turn the rear facing on, and now both, let's turn off this other light real quick. You can see both of those guys are on and ready to go. And one thing I think is kind of neat, if you were using this in somewhat of an emergency or trying to get someone's attention scenario, is we can do strobe facing both directions. Kind of cool little emergency type scenario there. Now, as unique as it is, you can accidentally, whoops, oh man, right in my face. Didn't mean to do that in my face. You can accidentally hit that side button. Now, if you're holding it with your right hand, as most people would, then it's right comfortable at thumb level. But for a lefty, my whole palm is right into it. And of course, your DeWALT battery sliding right on and off. So let's take it outside, see what we think. I guess in 1 second we'll go out in the rain just for you guys, get all wet and everything. But this is the flood side, just out in the garage. You can see it's dark out here. And there is your flood light. So the garage is, that wall back there is 40 feet away to give you some context of the brightness here. Now let's switch it to our spotlight. Flip this guy around. Now you can see that hot center of the spotlight. Whoa, back in the face. Got to be careful of that. Alright, I did turn the garage light on because, oh man, it's gotten cold out too. That's how we can see if anything's creeping on us out here. You guys see anything creeping? Give me a heads up if you do. It looks like really cold out. Let you know a little secret. I'm not wearing pants. Like, that's too much. TMI! We didn't need to know that. Let's see if I can go away here. So this is the spot side. We flip it around. There's your flood. Oh man, can you guys see the rain? You see me getting rained on? The things I do for you guys? Alright, I'm going to let it down with the flashing going on, because I just want to see what it looks like. If we just were like to put that on the ground and just let it go flashy flashy. See, I kind of like that. It's like little emergency, grab someone's attention kind of light. You got a little situation going on. People ain't gonna miss that thing. Seems like a good way to end it right there. Right there. So there it is, guys, the Letour DeWALT compatible. Let's get in the light a little bit. There we go. LED work light, spot, flood, flashers. It's not the kind of flash you wanted, but it's the flash you're gonna get. Thanks for watching.